In this video, you'll learn the sound for Q and U. Q and U together makes the qu sound. Usually in words, Q is followed by the U, and together they make the qu sound. Can you say that sound with me? Qu, qu, qu. Good job. To remember the qu sound, I like to add a fun, jolly phonics action to it. Put up one hand and shape it in the put up one hand and shape it as a duck's mouth and say qu, qu, qu. Good job. Let's practice reading the qu sound in words. Are you ready? Qu, a, k, quack, quack. Quake, quake, quick, quiz, 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 quilt, 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 quit, 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 liquid, liquid, liquid. Good job. Thank you so much for watching this video and keep practicing your qu sound. And I'll see you in the next video. I love you.